Hello friends, welcome back to Science with Ayazullah. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a glass to not make a tissue wet when it's dipped in water. So this video is going to be very interesting. So I'll show you the materials that are required to do this experiment. So the materials required for this experiment are a glass, a container filled with water, and some tissues. The container that you're going to use can be of any size or any depth, but it should be bigger than the glass that you're going to use. So let's start the experiment. So to begin with, first you have to take the container that's filled with water and you have to take the glass. And now the tissues, you have to fill the glass with the tissues. And you have to make sure that the tissues go until the end of the glass. So now when you turn the glass upside down, the tissues won't fall. And now when you put the glass in the container, you would expect that the tissues will get wet. But now let's see what will happen. As you can see, I have dipped the glass in the container. Now I'll remove it. Now I'll check the tissues. And as you can see, the tissues are not wet. It's all dry. So now I'll explain you how does this happen. So now it's time for explanation. So when you lower the glass in the water, some air gets trapped in the glass. And air is less denser than water, that's why it stays on top of water. And that air protects the tissue from getting wet. And when you tip the glass over, then the air escapes from the glass and water enters the glass. That makes the tissue wet. So that's it for the video. If you liked the video, like, share and subscribe to Science with Ayazullah. Thank you for watching.